and help me welcome Ray Shield.
Today I'm going to be talking about stress. That's something that everyone has experienced before, everyone will experience again. So I'm going to be talking about ways to shift your mindset so that even in the midst of experiencing the same stress that you naturally experience, you can get a different outcome.
Before coming to this session, I always considered stress as being something negative in my life. Not only did I learn about how I can use stress positively to propel me forward and make things better and less stressful in my life, but also realize that if I think about stress positively, my life will be less stressful.
I take what Ray presented today and I'll be able to apply it to my life right away.
So this is where you get to be more intentional and more strategic about that response. Make a quick to-do list of the things that I can do right now in this moment that are contributing to me getting this outcome that I want to get.
I have a lot of takeaways that I can use at my organization as an HR director to help my staff relieve some stress and be more intentional about their emotions.